Good day! Welcome to Learning Diaries, your partner towards knowledge and understanding. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated with the latest videos and updates. For today's video, we will discuss a very fun topic, which is analogy. Do you know what an analogy is? What is an analogy? An analogy is simply a comparison between two different things to show relationship. Example: happy is to sad as clean is to dirty. A finger is to hand as toe is to foot. But did you know that there is another way to present analogies? Let's take this for example. To present analogies in a shorter way, we make use of colons. These two colons are read as is to. And these two colons, which are situated together, are read as. Therefore, happy is to sad as clean is to dirty. How do these words become an analogy anyway? Happy is to sad as clean is to dirty. Happy is the opposite of the word sad. And clean is the opposite of the word dirty. In the first set, happy and sad are opposite with each other. For it to become an analogy, the second set must share the same kind of relationship. Clean and dirty are opposite with each other. Therefore, this example becomes an analogy. Finger is a part of the hand. Toe is a part of the foot. On the first set, the finger is an example of a part of a whole. And toe and foot is an example also of a relationship of a part to whole. Therefore, since they share the same kind of relationship, they are an analogy. Let's proceed with the common types of word analogy relationships. Common types of word analogy relationships. We have synonym, antonym, item and purpose, part and whole, characteristic, and cause and effect. Let's begin with the first one. We have synonyms. What do we mean when we say synonyms? These are words that contain the same meaning. For example, pretty is to beautiful as big is to large. The word pretty is synonymous with the word beautiful. The word big is synonymous with the word large. Sick is synonymous with the word ill. And neat is synonymous with the word tidy. Now, can you answer this? Smart is to intelligent, as small is to tiny. The next type of relationship is antonyms. These are words that contain the opposite meaning. For example, tall is to short, as heavy is to light. Tall is opposite with the word short. Heavy is opposite with the word light. Next example. Wide is to narrow, as bright is to dark. Wide is opposite with the word narrow. Bright is opposite with the word dark. Let's answer this. Early is to late, as night is to day. Let's proceed with the next type of relationship. We have item and purpose. It refers to an object and its function. Example. Net is to catch, as phone is to call. In our first set, net is our item, and its function is to catch. In our second set, phone is our item, and its function is to call. Next example. Knife is to slice, as towel is to wipe. Knife functions to slice. Towel functions to wipe. Let's answer this. Pen is to write, as eyes is to see. Our next relationship is the part-to-whole relationship. Part of something compared to whole. Example. Window is to house, as tire is to car. The window is a part of the whole house. The tire is part of the whole car. Next example. Page is to book, as ink is to pen. Page is the part and book is the whole. Ink is the part and pen is the whole. Let's answer this. Branch is to tree, as petal is to flower. The next relationship is characteristics. The description, quality, or trait of something. Example. Cold is to snow, as warm is to sun. The word cold is a characteristic of the word snow. The word warm is a characteristic of the word sun. Next. Blue is to sky, as green is to forest. Blue is a characteristic of the sky, and green is a characteristic of the forest. Can you answer this? Bird is to fly, as fish is to swim. Last. Cause and effect relationship. The reason for something and its result. Example. Rain is to flood, as virus is to disease. When it rains, it floods. When there is a virus, there is a disease. Rain is the cause and flood is the result. Virus is the cause and disease is the effect. Trash is to pollution, exam is to study. When there is trash, there is pollution. When you have an exam, the effect is that you study. Hungry is to eat, and thirsty, what do you do when you are thirsty? You drink. Let's practice. Complete each of the given analogy with the correct word. Plus is to minus, as add is to A divide, B multiply, C subtract. Answer is subtract. Pencil is to write. A scissor is to A. Slice. B. Cut. C. Draw. Answer: cut. Comb is to hair. A toothbrush is to A. Teeth. B. Nails. C. Ears. We have teeth. Doctor is to hospital. As teacher is to A. Mall. B. School. C. Park. Yes, you're right, school. Chair is to sit. As bed is to A. Sleep. B. Swim. C. Play. We have sleep. It was fun learning with you. Join us again next time for another fun learning experience. Don't forget to subscribe.